Get over there.
Oh, Buzz.
Hey, yo, listen to me.
I tried. Are you still filming?
I'm trying to be over Buzz. I'm gonna be in a Buzz free room.
I stopped recording, then I started again. Because you told me to say, you said bye. I stopped and you just go, yeah. And I'm like, oh man, I should have gotten Buzz. Back up.
Get up. I want to see what he does.
No, no. Oh god. Doesn't do anything to me.
Wait. Wait. Turn around. Just keep giving you attention.
Hi, Buzz. Hi. I don't want him to jump on me.
Then you could climb onto the counter.
He's not doing anything to me.
Just turn around. Just be like, hi, Buzz. Hi, Buzzy.
Hi, Buzz. Yeah. This is my child says going to a Buzz-free room. Hi, Buzz. Hi. You're not doing anything to me.
Now turn around. No, turn around.
He's doing anything to
What
me.
the heck?
You try it. Let's see if it's just you.
And now I'm not going to be able to climb on the counter.
Justin would have a dog that does that.
Maybe that's where he next. I'm scared.
Becca, you'll survive. He's calmed down. You have a chair right there and counter, so if you need to, you can come back. You're so close. He's not even, I'll distract him. Ready? Buzz! Come here! Now go, Becca. It is just Becca.